I'm Chris.
And we are
Carnival Cruise Addicts.
Why can't I say that with you?
I don't know.
Anyway.
She forgot. Anyway. We're Carnival Cruise Addicts. She knows it.
So we recently came back from Carnival Horizon.
Y'all.
And they have the smart elevators.
Did anybody notice I peed on my mic? So did she.
No, your mic's on your pee.
Well,
anyway. So we thought we'd do a quick video on how to actually use these elevators, because if you know ahead of time, they actually work pretty well. Debatable, I guess.
Debatable. So you'll see in the video what can and does happen. So just pay attention. It's a cute little video. And yeah. And if you don't happen to watch this video and you're on the boat, there's TVs on a couple of the floors that show you how to work these. But this little...
How would they know that if they're not watching the video?
They would. They can tell their friends. Maybe their friends watch it.
Anyway, we hope you enjoy this quick video. All right, we're going to do a quick video on how to do the smart elevators. Chris?
Don't touch the screen. Go down here. Otherwise, you automatically select the deck. We are going to Promenade, Deck 5. Deck U. So it's already open, so I have to hit it again because two people, and we gotta leave because it's already open.
We are gonna show you how to use the smart elevators today.
This may be quick because they keep opening like they're not supposed to. Actually, they're supposed to. But, so don't touch the screen because you'll actually hit the wrong thing. Go down here. We are going to Deck 3, Lobby.
3, Car.
I'm going to Car U, and then I'm gonna do it again because we have two people here.
So then you look on top of the elevators and it has letters. So we are looking for you, which
is over here.
is over here.
So you gotta be careful because they don't always do that bing bong when opening, and you'll be shooting a video and it closes on you and you gotta do it again.
So that's it. That's how you use the smart elevator.
Yeah.